Peace be upon you and Allah's mercy and blessing. Let me introduce myself. My name is Bernadette Penihera with name 20,200,000,000 and 100,246 from class ST2040 in the primary school teacher education field of study. This time, I will present the result of my analysis with the title The Implementation of the Merdeka Curriculum, Challenge and Operations for Elementary School Teacher. Abstract: The Merdeka Curriculum is an educational initiative aimed at providing schools with the freedom to develop a curriculum that is relevant to the needs of students. This study aims to explore the challenges and operations faced by elementary school teachers in implementing the Merdeka curriculum. The methodology used in this research is qualitative, with a case study approach in several elementary schools in Indonesia. The results indicate although there are challenges related to training, research, and understanding of the curriculum. There are also operations to exchange creativity and innovation in teaching. This research is expected to provide insight for stakeholders in optimizing the implementation of the Merdeka curriculum at the elementary schools level. 1. Introduction. The Merdeka curriculum was introduced by the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia as a response to the need for a more flexible education that is relevant to local contexts. This curriculum provides autonomy to schools to design a curriculum that fits the characteristics and needs of students. In the context of education in Indonesia, where culture diversity and local potential are rich, the Merdeka curriculum is expanded to be a solution to create a more inclusive and adaptive education. However, the implementation of this curriculum is not without challenge that teachers, especially at the elementary school level, must face. Elementary school teachers play a crucial role in shaping the character and basic competencies of the students. Therefore, a deep understanding of the challenges and operations faced by teachers in implementing the Merdeka curriculum is essential for improving the quality of education in Indonesia. 2. Methodology. This research employs a qualitative approach using case study methods that were collection through in-depth interview with 20 elementary school teachers, as well as classroom observation and curriculum document analysis. The interviews were conducted in a semi-structural manner to allow teachers to share their experience and perspectives regarding the implementation of the Merdeka curriculum. The data obtained were analyzed using thematic analysis techniques, which enable the researcher to identify key themes emerging from the data. 3. Result and discussion. Challenge, training, and professional development. One of the main challenges faced by teachers in implementing the Merdeka curriculum is the lack of adequate training. Many teachers feel unprepared to adapt to the new teaching methods required by this curriculum. According to Sari, existing training is often not in-depth enough and does not provide the practical skills needed for teachers to effectively implement the curriculum. This led to uncertainty and confusion among teachers, which in turn can affect the quality of teaching. Research: one of the main challenges faced by teachers in implementing the Merdeka curriculum is the lack of adequate training. Many teachers feel unprepared to adapt to the new teaching methods required by this curriculum. According to Sari, existing training is often not in-depth enough and does not provide the practical skills needed for teachers to effectively implement the curriculum. This leads to uncertainty and confusion among teachers, which in turn can affect the quality of teaching. Understanding of curriculum: the limitation of resources both in terms of teaching material and facilities poses a barrier to the implementation of the curriculum. Hidayati noticed that many schools, especially in remote areas, do not have adequate access to textbooks, teaching aids, and information technology necessary to support learning. This limitation hinder teachers from design and implementing innovative and engaging learning experience for students. Understanding of the curriculum: some teachers are still concerned about the basic concept and principle of the Merdeka curriculum, which result in deviations in its application. Prasetyo indicates that this lack of understanding is often due to insufficient socialization and clear information regarding this new curriculum. Without a good understanding, teachers will struggle to design learning experience that align with the curriculum's objective. 3. Opportunities, innovation in teaching. Despite the challenge, the Merdeka curriculum also provides opportunities for teachers to innovate their teaching methods and assessment. Vidya Stuti emphasizes that with the autonomy to design the curriculum, teachers can explore various learning approaches that suit the characteristics of their students. This can change students' motivation and engagement in the learning process. Parental involvement: the Merdeka curriculum allow for the development of students' character through more conceptual and relevant learning. Setiawan explains that with a more flexible approach, teachers can integrate local values and culture into the learning process. This not only helps students understand and appreciate their own culture but also builds strong character and social skills necessary for interacting in a diverse society. Con- for consolation, the implementation of the Merdeka curriculum at the elementary school level faced various challenges, including a lack of training, limited resources, and inadequate understanding of the curriculum. However, these challenges also open significant opportunities for educational development, such as encouraging creativity in teaching, increasing parental involvement, and for teaching character development in studies. In student. To optimize the implementation of the Merdeka curriculum, greater support from the government and educational institutions is needed, including better training for teachers, provision of adequate resources, and clear socialization regarding the curriculum. With these measures, it is hoped that the Merdeka curriculum can have a significant positive impact on the quality of education in Indonesia. Thank you. Sekian dari saya. Mohon maaf jika masih ada kesalahan saat membaca. Terima kasih.